To fund your Tradier account, log in to the Tradier web platform. If you haven't funded or traded yet, you'll see an Add Funding button on your dashboard, or you can go to the Funding tab and click Deposit. You have 4 funding options. ACH transfer. Connect your bank account securely using Plaid. Enter your deposit amount and click Create Deposit. Wire transfer. Provide Tradier's wire instructions to your bank for either domestic or international wires. Check. Mail a check using the instructions provided. Lastly, for an ACAP transfer from another brokerage, start by choosing whether you want a full or partial transfer. Select the firm you're transferring from. If it's not listed, choose Other Firm Not Listed. Then select the brokerage account type and enter your account number and social security number. For partial transfers, specify the exact cash, stocks, or auctions you'd like to move. Once everything's complete, just submit your request. Ready to fuel your account?